guys, it's Lind Pilabadind, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super simple Scratch platformer. So create a new project and delete Scratchy. Platformers work with squares. Just make a square. Okay, so make sure it's centered, and then go to backdrops. And just do there we go. And now we're gonna go to sprite 1. So now we're gonna need, when green flag clicked, go to X and Y. Okay, so let's try that. And we should have the ability to jump. So when space key pressed. Now, if you don't know how to make a jump script, it's actually really simple. Change Y by 10. Put that in a repeat loop. Then duplicate that. But then change Y by -10. There, -10. So, let's test that. There we go. We can jump. But what about moving? Well, that's probably really simple. So, when the left arrow key is pressed, we're going to want to get a change X by -10, and then put that in a repeat loop. Okay. There. And now, to move left, we're gonna want to, actually duplicate this entire script, and this time just change it by 10 and switch this to a right arrow key. So let's test that. That's as simple as it really gets, but what about platforms? That would be pretty useful. So, to do that, we're going to want to go to the stage backdrop and just make this. It's just like make this. So we can't really do platforms, but we can do barriers. So, now we're going to want to do this. Well, hold on. We need to make the barrier a different color. Let's do a different shade of blue, like that. There. And now, we're going to want, when green flag clicked, now an if block, if then, touching color. Now, use the color picker and select the outline color. And now, you're going to want a stop all block. But wait, not all. Other scripts in this sprite. Maybe we're just going to need all. Well, we could just do the original color of the thing, and let's test that. So, actually, for this, we're going to want to delete this and make a new sprite. But if you're worried about this, don't be. This is only for tests. to move it right here. So, now you're going to want, you may think that it should be there, but you're actually going to want this. If then, touching mouse pointer, but instead of mouse pointer, you're going to want sprite 1. Then we stop all. Okay, let's test this. It does it okay, but not good. Yeah, it doesn't do it that good. So let's just forget that for now, and we're gonna want to make a new block. Call it move, and add an input boolean, and name it false. Alexa, spell false.
False is spelled F-A-L-S-E.
Okay. And now you're going to want to add an input and call it steps. Okay, and it's important to run without screen refresh. Alright, so we got this new block. So, okay. Move steps. Okay, so this custom block works okay. And so now we're going to want an if block. If not false, then we're going to want to say hello. There we go. Because the X was not false, and now we know it works. Then now we're gonna just want a move 10 steps. There we go. And that's a good start to a good platformer. But we're gonna want to put this under a forever loop with a mouse with a set drag mode to not draggable. Okay, so now let's try that. Great, we did that. Now that we did that, if it lags, then don't worry. We can just, well, if that's the bother, then just remove that. So, now, okay, so now we're just gonna need make a new message calling it game. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna want to go to the backdrops. When I receive game. Stop all. There we go. So now that's a good part to making it move right. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please recommend subscribing.